guys, family, friends and fans around the world. So today I'm going to show you, so I've got the strawberries, banana and chia seeds. I really love them, especially after I finish blending the fruits. And also I have the, if you're a sweet tooth person, you can use pure honey, doesn't matter what brand you use, and also strawberry or vanilla yogurt. I usually like to use the banana so that I make it smooth, and also I'm going to use the blender. So strawberries, they contain 50 calories, and I'll be posting some healthy information very soon. So I'm just going to put some of them here. So yeah, really washed. So I really encourage you to soak them overnight, because you know these days they put too much chemicals. Soak them overnight with apple cider vinegar, all the fruits. Don't rush to just eat them straight away. Alright, so I'm just gonna put a little bit. Okay, so I've got some strawberries there, and then I'm going to put a banana. I love bananas. Banana. Some people use fresh milk, so it depends whether you're vegan. So I just use one banana, that'll be enough for me. And also I'll use lots of yogurt. Not lots of yogurt, but you know, we're gonna make it as healthy as much as we can. So I'm gonna put some here, and I'll put some as much as I can. But if you want, you can also add some ice to make it cold, nice and cold. Okay, so we now have our set. So there's a lot of strawberries there. So I'm just gonna close it, and don't mind the noise, okay? Because of time, I need to make it as soon as I can. So you can see it now. I'll bring it closer. Very loud noise. Alright, because last time when I was putting it in, it wasn't a lot. So I'm gonna keep adding some, because it's the container I'm using now, it's small. So I'll chuck some more strawberries. So this one is my favorite breakfast, or my dream breakfast, especially when I've got time, and I just came from the gym, or I just feel like something refreshing. So I'm not gonna add more banana. I don't want any sweets, any honey, because the bananas will make it good. So one more time,